Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here aboard Margaritaville at Sea Islander, and today we have a sea day. And so today we're going to go around and show you how to make the most of your sea day and have the perfect day at sea. So if you want to know how to do it, then you're in the right place. Make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, like Lewis said, we're here on Margaritaville, the Sea Islander. It's been a really great vacation, and so far we're loving it. So we're going to show you guys how to spend the perfect day on the boat. So we're going to do all things. We're going to take a nap. We're going to have some food. We're going to see a show. We're going to play some bingos. Hopefully we'll win bingos. That'll be fun. Maybe go to the casino. We'll see. So hang out with us and let us in the comments down below how would you spend your perfect day at sea.
Alright, so next up we're going to play around in mini golf.
Alright, let's go.
Got 4 clubs or 4 balls. How'd you work that?
Oh man, robbed.
I would just like the record to reflect, this was Lewis's idea. And so far I'm winning. I like winning.
There's way too much wind up here, blowing the balls all over the place. It's not a fair game.
Okay. You also can play pickleball. So there's a pickleball court here. If that's something I'm interested in, and all the equipment's in there. Oh, you pick it up over there. There you go. Pickleball. Oh gosh. Too many berries.
It's a close game. Christine's up 26 to 27. Got to get one hole down on her on this one. You were worried for a minute, weren't you?
All right, so the grand score is
Lewis 30, Christine 29.
yes.
All right.
Success.
Oh, there's another game of golf we can play around the corner, and that's cornhole golf. I've never played that before. That sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah, let's check that out.
So they got the cornhole bags, stand on the X, toss in the hole, and we're gonna do 4 bags.
So 4 bags. It's 1 point for every bag you get on the board, and then 3 points if you get it in the hole.
All right.
There you go. Oh, that's a 2-for hole. Nice. So that's 3. It's 4 points
4 points
for me. 4 points. Okay. Tie though, right?
Yeah, so it's easy when they got a backboard.
All right.
So we're up to the last hole now. This one's highest score, so I'm 12 points ahead. And basically, in order to win, Christine has to sink all 4 of hers, and I have to not get more than 2 on the board.
So you're telling me there's a chance. So what has happened?
So what did you get, like 3
I got
points?
3 points.
I got 0. This one's deceivingly hard.
Yeah, because they hammock rocks. But
Yeah.
for you though, I like this one. All right, good job, babe. All right, guys, it is 6:07. There is not a soul in the pool, but they did just announce free margaritas.
Yeah, everybody shows up a certain place to get one.
Yeah.
It was tequila shots, I thought it was.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, okay.
But
I'm not doing that.
Yeah, either way, though, yeah, the pool's been pretty busy all day. And so now's the time to get in about 6 o'clock.
Yeah. So up next on what we do on a sea day is what? Bet all in black?
All right.
Let's go to the casino. All right, so as you guys know, we were originally supposed to be on this cruise a couple days ago. That got pushed, obviously because of the hurricane, so we started to rebook it. And then because of the hurricane, blah, 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 long story short, we actually lost a day on our cruise. So all that to be said, we were given a cruise credit of $150. But fun fact, you cannot use your cruise credit at the casino. So we'll be putting down our cold hard cash, right babe?
Yeah, cruise credit doesn't work at the casino, but we started a tradition, I guess, once now. That we bet $100 on one roll of roulette.
Yep.
Put it on black.
That's
See how it goes.
All right. Who knows? We could win more monies, or we could lose monies. Not gonna lose, but we're gonna do it anyway. So let's go. There we go. I just want to be this crazy. Here we go.
Oh! Yeah!
Nice.
We got a $200. That's $100 back and $100 worth of winnings.
That's it.
Yeah, you win some, you lose some.
We're even at
But
this
yeah,
point.
the only way you're ever going to win is you got to walk away a winner. So
Yes.
bet one time.
And we're done.
Done. Next up on our perfect sea day, it's time to take a nap on the balcony. And we've got an inflatable couch. I'm going to blow it up with a hairdryer. Put it on cool setting. And let her go.
I will see you in 25 minutes.
Doesn't take that long.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can see that this couch is amazing. It blows up really quick. Easy to do with the hairdryer. Super comfortable, super long, and it has a nice tough bottom. Been using it all cruise, and Not had an issue at all. Great place to take a nap. And it's available on Amazon. We'll put a link in the description down below where you can pick one up yourself. They're very affordable. And I think it's a cruise essential. Just don't leave it out on the balcony. You don't want it to blow away. But in the meantime, we'll catch you later.
That's not a lie, guys. He actually did sleep out on that couch on our first sea day. He loves it, but it's too hot out there for me though.
All right, so next up on our sea day, we're gonna go on a behind-the-scenes tour and get to see what the Captain's Bridge looks like. That's gonna be amazing. I've always wanted to do this. Unfortunately, we can't take the camera back there, so we'll try to recap it when we come back. They did give us these nifty captain's hats to wear while we're behind the scenes.
One of us is a little bit more excited about this than the other. I'm still half asleep, but it's fine. It's fine. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're here. We made it.
A little later.
All right, guys, so we just got done with our behind-the-scenes tour. That was so much fun. We got to meet the captain of the ship, all the assistant captains, first mates. I don't know who else was up there. It was awesome. We get to steer the ship. Not really, wasn't really hooked up. It's kind of like when you give your kids, your sibling, the video game controller's not plugged in. That's what we were doing just now. But yeah, super neat. Learned a ton about the ship. How they navigate it and everything. They did say that the engine operates about 77 RPMs, which is really slow. It has a top speed of about 27 miles per hour, like 24 knots. And they can track ships up to like 95 miles or so out. So pretty impressive. A lot of fun, and I really enjoyed it, really geeking out up there. So that was super cool. Too bad we couldn't show it on camera, but on to the next thing to continue our perfect day at sea.
Let's go.
All right, Margaritaville, I have a bone to pick with you. It doesn't rock. It just pretends like it rocks. There's no movement at all.
Which, okay, I get it. It's a boat. Okay, maybe you don't want to swing on a boat. But maybe you do. Maybe you do. And that's false advertising. So, fix that.
All right, guys, so in our continuation of how to spend your sea day, we're going to spend the rest of our monies at the gift shop. Let's go. I have $25, maybe.
So talk to me and tell me what you got.
You could have bought a surfboard. So I bought a shirt and a magnet, and it cost $38.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Thank you.
Ice cream.
It wouldn't be a cruise day without free ice cream.
And the next best way to spend your sea day is by lounging by the pool.
Make a wish.
Next up, get a cheeseburger from Cheeseburger in Paradise. It's like Lewis's favorite thing.
I love cheeseburgers.
Yeah.
So next up on our perfect day at sea, we're going to watch a game show. So this is like the newlywed game, but for not so newlyweds.
Yeah. There you go.
I genuinely cannot right now. Yes, not. When you want to get on that stage. No way.
All right, so next up on our perfect sea day, we're gonna go play some bingo. Hopefully we win big.
Yeah.
Let's get a free cruise.
Free cruise.
So that you have to buy your bingo cards in the casino, but you can't film in the casino. Ask me how I know. But with that, 3 games.
Yeah, 3 games, we got 6 sheets. That was $50. It's pretty pricey. We get 3 sheets for $30, and I don't know what they're doing with singles. I didn't see singles.
All right, well, let's go. When they get the bingos. We are 1 away from winning a free cruise.
Needed that I-27.
4,
Dang.
3, 2.
Still fun though.
And the next thing to do on your amazing day at sea, watch the sunset.
Yeah.
Right there, right?
Yeah, just jumped out of the water.
yeah. I think those are dolphins or something. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, they're jumping out of the water. Oh, how awesome. I don't know, they're just going to down out in the way. That is so cool.
Yeah, they jumped way out.
Right. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's one jumping all the way up over there too. And we found the lunar cloud. Oh my gosh. Right. Oh, they're just having a great time. Oh, buddies. Alright guys, and up next on the thing to do on a cruise day is go see the show. So we're gonna go check it out. Alright y'all, and that's how you spend a day at sea. I don't know how we could cram any more in here, but I'm sure you guys will let us know about it in the comments.
Not just a day at sea, but the perfect day at sea.
The perfect day at sea on Margaritaville Islander. So, That being said, here is this guy with pro tips.
Alright guys, so here are your pro tips for the perfect day at sea. I'd say number one is remember that it's your perfect day, so however you want to spend it. If you want to sleep until noon, you can do that. If you want to wake up early and attack the day and carpe diem and get out there and do all the things that the ship has to offer, you can do that as well. It's your day, and don't let anybody else tell you how to spend it. Pro tip number two is remember to check your itinerary. There is no app on this cruise ship, so make sure that you check the paper itinerary that's delivered to your stateroom the day before. That's going to tell you all the activities that are available throughout the day. Pro tip number three is remember to pace yourself. There's so much going on, you're not going to be able to do it all, so pick the ones that you want to do. Remember to schedule some time for relaxing and sleeping and all those things, because that's why you're here. Rest and relaxation. We'll be back to the grind on Monday. Take advantage of the time while you can. That's going to do it for us today, guys. Remember to hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Really help us out. And with that being said, we're out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
Bye. Alright, well, that's what Lewis cheat.
Oh no! I can't really remember much of it, but
What are you doing? Oh man, mine's all the way down here. I lost the magnet. Where's the magnet? Oh, it's right here. This guy. Where are you?
it shouldn't be too hard.
Fingers crossed.
So we got our $200, so
Yeah.
$100 back and 200. Or, so we got our.
Oh! That literally bounced off that.
Is that how we're doing it?
I mean, why not, right? A hole's a hole. That's what she said. So I got a shirt and a magnet.
Hold on a second.
So I got a shirt and a
All right.
magnet.
All right.
So I got a shirt and a magnet.
And how much did that cost?
$38.
You want to say it all together?
That's not a lie, guys. He actually did so brilliant. All right, and next up, we are going to be watching the audience for a game show. I don't know what I'm saying. Go.